A very warm welcome to all of you, and thank you for being here. So let's start with the presentation and see from there what we can do. Yeah. So today's topic is about like how the future of nutrition practice is going to be. Okay, so don't worry, I'm an MBBS doctor. I'm not a dietitian like all of you, but my passion is in nutrition and preventive health. And luckily, my wife happens to be a gold medalist in her master's in nutrition. She is from SV University. So she taught me the importance of nutrition. That's how I got into this field, and I've been practicing it for quite some time. So I have my own clinic. It's called Gene Clinics. And before that, I worked in different hospitals, software companies, and we had our own organization prior to that. And I worked as a faculty, and I worked in Delhi. So basically, I'm an MBBS doctor, completed my MBBS in 2002. So today, the future of nutrition practice and how it is going to be, right? So I started this program, Holistic Nutrition Training Program, last year in the month of July 10th to be precise. So I'm going to give you a small orientation about what we are doing under this program. So Holistic Nutrition Training Program, what is the difference between clinical nutrition and holistic? So in the words of Hippocrates, who is considered as father of medicine, what he says is, I would rather see what kind of a person has a disease than what kind of a disease a person has. That means you need to study the person more than disease. So in clinical nutrition, for example, if a person comes with renal failure, we give renal diet. Somebody comes with cancer, we give neutropenic diet, or hypertension, we give, what is this, a DASH diet, all these things. So it is based on disease, not on the person. So what is the difference? And treating a person versus disease. So I'll give you a simple example. A person who is suffering with diabetes for almost like 15 years and is on 32 units of insulin. And he is not that old, probably in his early 50s or something like that. So, but one of our coach who got trained in this holistic way of treating the person rather than disease, the first history taking, the first contact, it almost took 2 hours 48 minutes for her to take the history. And within a couple of months, from 32, it has come down to 8 units. And now still he's improving. And the whole idea is, we have Sandhya here, who is in charge of this case. And she will update very shortly what is the status. So this is the difference between treating the person versus disease. Okay, that's what we believe in. And second, as I said, history taking is one of the cornerstones of holistic thing. So as a very famous Canadian physicist, Sir William Osler, who says that, he's also considered as father of modern medicine. What happens in a patient's mind is more important than what a microbe is doing in his lungs. Here, he is talking about tuberculosis. It is like open and shut case, right? There is tubercle bacillus in our body, and if you kill that, the TB is gone. But he's saying much beyond that. What he is saying is, yes, killing the tuberculosis, tubercle bacilli is important, but at the same time, the patient who is taking that antibiotic, his mind is equally important. So again, so the same case, one of the case from Sandhya, and she is an old lady and very well educated, very disciplined, and no, regular risk factors, but she has been suffering with another person who is into army, suffering with hypertension for 17 long years. Nobody knows the reason why he is suffering with, and what is the root cause of hypertension. And she is able to figure it out, and within 42 days, his sugars, his normal sugar blood pressure is like always like 160, 130. Okay, and he is living with that for almost like 17 years. So doctors, they couldn't do anything, and finally when he landed up to our organization, and within 42 days his pressures have come back to normal. This is the power of holistic nutrition. So conventional history taking, so this is what dietitians are trained to do. with a patient. They take demography, anthropometry, BCA, 24-hour recall, food behavior, all these things. There ends the matter, and we prepare a diet plan. But in holistic, we do go a bit beyond. Apart from taking all these things, we go into their personal history. Personal history means like what kind of a person he is, his education, what kind of a job he is in, and how stressed he is in his professional life and family life. What is the family medical history, and what kind of religious belief systems he has. I mean, like he's a hardcore or like leftist. All these things, hobbies, interests, all these things actually makes a person. This is what is called as treating the person rather than treating the illness. So the job of a dietitian, when you do this, right, a person suffering with 17 years with hypertension for 17 years, or a person taking 32 units of insulin, what a holistic dietitian did in this case, they created a value. Health is a value. Okay. And if they say health is wealth, the job of a dietitian is like both creating health and in turn creating wealth. That is what I believe the job of a true dietitian is. Okay, I'll give you an example again. So there are so many doctors who are patients of our coaches now. Okay, and some of the doctors, they left their job and started learning holistic practice. And the result is so amazing. One of the client actually offered to pay 1 lakh rupees to one of our coaches, a single client. Imagine that. That is the power, that is the value that a dietitian can create in a patient's life. That's what we all believe in HNTP. So how do we do this? So we have our website, htp.online, holistic nutrition training program.online. So if you go into the website, let's go and have a look at our website. This is our website. Okay, holistic nutrition training program. You'll get all the details. And anything you want to know about the program. So the feedback or the testimonials from that, and the course curriculum, what are all the topics that are covered in that, and the features of the program, and all these things are given in this, including the testimonials. You can see even Priya Sahni is there testimony, and this is it. I mean, like, and we say that, okay, if you don't like the program, you'll get your money back. That is guaranteed. So this is what the course is all about. Let's go back to our presentation now. What are the features of this program? It is hosted in a place called Dr. G. That is the American company I am associated with. There is a dedicated learning portal. That means like all the content is there, and they can access the lessons through a mobile app. And these lessons are on demand. So whenever they want to go through a lesson, they can go through, and all of them are recorded video lessons, whiteboard explained, and you will get access to more than 150 plus hours of content. And the beauty of this program is it doesn't interfere with your students' regular classes. Okay, so instead of watching a video or a TV program or a movie, they can spend 30 minutes or 40 minutes every day on this, and still they can learn. Okay, so it is hosted, as I said, like in a portal. And as I said, I mean, just I'll walk you through this one. This is where the complete course is hosted. Okay, so there is like introduction to holistic nutrition practice, and all the lessons in that module. So once you are done with that, you can always go back to next category and go through the lessons, and life never born and never died. And each one comes with a chapter. Say, for example, health is by design, not by default. Okay. So in this, the lesson is there almost for like 1 hour, and what are all the contents, supporting material that is required, everything is there. And students can post their questions over here, and whatever queries that they have, and what is the feedback. So this is what they can access, how they can access, both through laptop, their smart TV, as well as mobile app. Okay. Now let's get back to So this is how the course is. And apart from the course content, okay, and we have something known as an activity room. This is hosted in Google Classroom. So they are given like different kinds of activities, whatever they learn and whatever access they need. So this is apart from the course, actual course content. And from time to time, to improve their knowledge and to assess their work and learning, we have activity rooms in Google Classroom. And every week there is a standalone Monday live 3 to 4 p.m. and we conduct these Monday lives every week. Okay, Monday for interaction. It is not that we give them a course and we are done with that. No, we continuously engage the students by conducting these Monday lives, and we have this dedicated members only Facebook group. And this is like access, only the students who signed up for the program, they have access. Here we discuss all kinds of things about the course, and we conduct a lot of case studies. It is not that only one case study per week, but we conduct a lot of case studies. If you see, this is the recent one, I mean, yesterday's or yeah, yesterday's. Okay, so all these things are hosted in the Facebook itself, Facebook group itself. This is apart from all the 150 hours I spoke in the portal or the course content available. Here they can have access to all the case studies that would happened previously also. Okay, so we keep conducting case studies for them, and we do book reviews that are helpful for them to understand the process of health and how to manage the diseases and all. And also, we started something known as a student mentorship program, since most of the students are joining. So what happened is like there are some students with us, I mean like the coaches with us who are faculty in certain colleges. So we asked them and they formed a group and they are mentoring the students who joined the course. Okay, students in the sense, students who are still pursuing their course. So they should not be overwhelmed like, okay, this ma'am is 10 years experience, 15 years experience. How do I get on with that? So for that, we created a separate group for students who are actually pursuing their course. And this is, we created a separate group for them to mentor how they are doing. So we have almost like more than 81 students in this mentorship program registered so far. And the best part is some of the students, they get paid internships as well with senior coaches. So one coach, they want to work with one of the students, they need help. Actually, they are paying them for their support and work with senior coaches live cases. So all the coaches here who are going through this particular HNTP, and students can volunteer to learn with those. I mean, I am working with the two students on one of the cases, very challenging case, and students, two students, they never get to have this kind of exposure while still they are in a college. Okay, so work with senior coaches live cases, there is an opportunity in this. And now once they do this course or while they are doing this course, the beauty that is the beauty of the program is the coaches, they have come up with their own organization. So Holistic Nutrition Works is a collaborative platform by the coaches. Okay, so let's have a look at what this Holistic Nutrition Works is like. So this is our homepage of Holistic Nutrition Works. And yeah, this is completely run by all the coaches that are currently going through the course. And we here explain the process, how it works, and compared to clinical nutrition, how holistic coaches, they actually work. So, and we have listed a few of the coaches who completed the regular course, who presented few cases and worked in different projects. So we picked up the coaches and we list them over here. So anybody can reach out to them and they can sign up with them and get help. So the confidence of these coaches is that we offer, I mean, unlike any other healthcare program in the entire world, I would say that we offer 100% guarantee of our service. That is the confidence these coaches have on their abilities, because they are 100% sure that with their approach, they can help the patient come out of their pain. So this is about our website. It is totally designed by and maintained by coaches, and it is a voluntary job. On their own, they have come up and set up this program. And not only this, under Holistic Nutrition Works, we have sub projects. For example, few people who are into Ayurveda or other thing, they have come up with something known as Vedic diets. They call it as Annamitra. And we have weight loss from home project. And in this project, there are multiple teams that are working independently. And we have Stop Diabetes project and PCOS reversal project. There are so many things. I mean, we still are exploring. If people are interested in cancer or gastro or ortho, we are going to, I mean, this is like, as I said, it is totally voluntary. The kind of exposure the coaches they get once they join the program is like immense. And all of them are working on actual patients and live cases. Not only that, the students here, they get to learn how to use social media effectively to promote themselves. So we have teams working on social media. I mean, like under social media itself, there are 5 sub teams, one handling Quora, one LinkedIn, one YouTube, Insta, everything. I mean, all of them are like, all of them, they got an access or they have an opportunity to work with, I mean, not independently, but along with senior coaches. They can volunteer, learn, and understand how it works. Okay. So all these things is part of the course, and it is totally a voluntary job. And not only that, there is a continuous engagement and support. We have one social media app called Kaizala. That is what we use. And if you see, there are like multiple groups in that. Okay, we have student mentorship program. We have student mentorship program batch 2, which started in December already. And if you look into the WhatsApp group, this is like just one screenshot. How many teams? I mean, like there are like 26 groups exclusively out of these coaches that are currently there in WhatsApp. So anybody need any kind of support. It is not like you sign up for a program and you got the course, you are done with. No, there is a continuous support and engagement that is happening with all the students. So now what is the price of this program? The list price is actually 24,000 the first year, and online, if you are paying, you'll get a discount of 21,000. I just wanted to give you a screenshot of actually how much people pay. She is a senior dietitian. She paid 21,000 with tax. It is 123. Okay, and some of the coaches, they have come and, sir, if we were taught this particular program and this particular approach when we were students itself, then our life would have been much better. So then we thought of like offering a scholarship for students. So we slashed the price of the list price for benefit of the students to empower them while still they are in the college. So what we have come up with is Holistic Nutrition Student Scholarship Program in the month of November. We launched it in the month of November. So instead of 24,000, a student can enroll it only for 2,500. And we thought of like absorbing only 50 students. Okay, so it is not 24,000, it is just 2,500 per an year. I mean, for 1 year, and 2,550 seats. But what happened was, in the month of November, the response is so amazing. We got more than we have got 101 students signed up for this program. 101. But we did not stick to the word that only we'll be taking 50. So we said the scholarship is available for the month of November. In the month of November, 101 students. Some of the faculties are like, they're so proactive and they pushed their students. This is very good program. And especially I should thank Mayuri ma'am here, because she is so proactive in talking to her students and pushing them. So
thank you so much,
101 students. Yeah, ma'am. And not only that, Mayuri ma'am also gave a reference to other colleges. Yes, this kind of program is required. And that is the reason why she herself joined the program. Okay, so 101 students, and if you look into the breakup, we got response from almost 26 colleges across the country. Okay, our coaches voluntarily, they reached out to all the colleges. This program is good. Okay, they're not just giving you content, so they're empowering, and this program is like where we come together as a team. So out of the 26 colleges responded, and we have 101 students from 26 different colleges and 16 different cities. And Hyderabad seems to fare better, and we have more than 40 overall 40 students. Next, Vijayawada, Guntur, Mumbai, Meghalaya. Yeah, we have 4 students from Meghalaya and other cities. So this is the outcome of the scholarship program that we launched in the month of November. Okay, but this December thing, since we are done with the November offer, the December thing, we cannot offer you the students for 2,500. Now the scholarship has slightly increased to 3,000. So I request all the faculties to consider this. See, some of you faculties, I mean, these coaches, I mean, they might have approached you earlier, and I know how organizations work, and you need to take so many permissions, and you have got, though your intention is to help them, but it takes time, but time is costly. I mean, time costs money. Okay, so this time, please expedite the process. It is for the benefit of the students. So this is from my end. Thank you so much for patiently listening to this. So December, I mean, like, we have a number in our mind, but as I said, but we cannot forever extend this throughout the month of December. So it's always like first come, first serve basis. Okay, those who have received the proposal earlier and yet to respond, and yeah, I mean, like, you might have spoken to your spoke to your management that it is coming for 2,500, and now it is gone up to 3,000. So they may ask you so many questions. Our team here, Danya, Ravati, Priya, Sanja, you can reach out to them. We are definitely going to honor that. I mean, it's not a straightaway promise. We can come out with an arrangement. But those who are yet to initiate the project, right? This is like, you have seen how robust the program is. And when I started compiling all these things, I mean, oh my goodness, are we doing these many things? We don't know. So it is like really empowering for the students. So I wish all of you consider this program for the benefit of your students, and yeah, help them become the dietitians. So the vision for me is to see the dietitians as future GPs. The concept of GPs has gone. Okay, everyone is going, even for headache, you need a neurologist. Even for BP, you are going for a cardiologist. So not GP, not specialist, you need a super specialist. Unfortunately, it has come down to that. So there is a huge vacuum, and dietitians are the right people. Dietitians are the right people to cover that gap, and it is an opportunity. So the students coming out, doing 5 years of specialized course, 3 years of graduation, 2 years of post graduation, then internship. Finally, what is the initial salary they are getting? Yeah, making 15,000 for a postgraduate is very difficult. Okay, they are not even getting 15,000. A security guard is getting 20,000. Imagine that. The same hospital. And but here, if the students learn, right, they can start earning from the days of their college itself. By the time they come, they can, I mean, you don't have to set up a clinic. The beauty of the program is, advantage a dietitian possesses, you don't have to set up a clinic. A smartphone is your clinic. That's it. And for one patient, you're getting 15,000. That is the beauty of it. And we are going to make your students earn that money. Okay. And on behalf of our all of our coaches, yeah, alumni, should I say them, because it's been 1 year. Most of them have joined. So on behalf of them, I promise that students have this capacity. to make their own living, get their respect. A dietitian truly deserves in this thing. So thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have Yukta and Tanveer also, your two students. So can you just give me that moment to Yukta and Tanveer so that they can just share their experience?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, Yukta, you there?
The stage is all yours now. I am one of the presentators. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Priya, I'm in.
Yeah, Yukta, please introduce yourself if you can. Just come online and share your experience with all the faculties. How is the journey with you?
Yeah, done. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I'm Yukta from HNTP. I've completed my BSc and I've joined this course like it's been 1.5 months. And it helped me a lot. Like I'm learning many new things. I'm actually very new to use a laptop and everything. But after joining this course, I'm enjoying my learning because I'm learning many new things like making a PPT, presentation, seminar, and etc. And yeah, even I'm getting a lot of support from everyone. It may be in any aspect, like it may be in my learning or if I'm having any doubts, even my every coach is helping me a lot in correcting my doubts and helping me out to do a new thing. And yeah, one more new thing is I'm doing my I'm even having experience of social media now. I'm making many new captions and hashtags for the Instagram. Even it helped me a lot. Even before I did not have an experience of writing a hashtag. Even I've just have Instagram to have a time pass and to have chill out. But now I'm using it in a different way actually, like how to write a caption or how to do a hashtag and everything. And one more thing is now I'm working with Sir in a CKD case. Yeah, it's really a good experience for me to work with Sir. And before joining this course, I was worried, like after my MSc, like how directly I would go to a hospital and work with a client. I was worried that how could I get like how can I deal with a client? How can I ask him a question or how to get the things from him or her to me? But after joining this course, I'm getting a clarity to how to deal with a client and how to get some things from him, like personal and everything. That is best actually. And yeah, I got a confidence that while learning at the while doing my MSc and after completing my MSc, that guarantee I'll earn a good amount of money. I'm confident that I would become a good coach after joining this course. Thank you.
Finally, sir, Yukta has come up speaking in front of you. That was a challenge. That's good, Yukta. You have crossed your first level today. So, and apart from this, I want to share this with the senior coaches also. Yukta has already started reading books also, okay? You Can Heal Your Life is her first book. She's going through it. And she has picked up the most difficult book also, which sir has suggested to some client and she has picked up. She's reading that also.
Sir, even I started reading You Are the Placebo, sir.
Ah, sir, you are the placebo she has started. I mean, that is amazing for me to know. Yeah, thank you, Yukta. And now second we have Tanveer.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Tanveer, you there?
Yes.
Hi, Tanveer. Please introduce yourself and just share your experience with all the faculties. How is it for you?
Hi, everyone. Good evening. I'm Tanveer. I'm in BSc second year. I'm doing nutrition and dietetics. And I actually, when I got to know about this program, I really like the concept. It was something that I ever wanted to do. this feeling of being healthy and getting rid of the lifestyle diseases, it's a challenge, I think, nowadays. So if there is a way that we can get rid of these diseases, is through holistic nutrition only, because uh, it covers all the areas of your life, not just your diet or your physical health, but also emotional health and number of areas. So I, first of all, I want to say that I enjoy learning the lesson very much. The lectures which are there in Kajabi app, the more I learn, the more I develop interest, and the curiosity increases. Like, I want to learn more and I want to learn more. It's a very exciting experience, that we are learning something which we never learned before. And one more thing is very beautiful, that whenever there is a webinar on case studies, um, I get to know the knowledge of so many coaches. Like, everyone is so experienced. They have so much knowledge and they share with us. So in that way, like, I'm getting a lot of knowledge. Like, we can say the bank of knowledge. Like, in bank there is a lot of money and lot of knowledge is there. So that also gives me very, very nice feeling. And everyone is so supportive. Actually, one thing I really like, that not just the goal here is not to just make like students the good life coaches, but also to develop confidence in them. Like, that is, I think, the most important thing, because if we have the confidence, if we can speak in front of everyone, we can present the presentations and all. Only that way we can be successful in life, and we will be able to communicate more freely and confidently with the clients as well. So that thing I really like. And everyone is there, is like a family. They support you, they encourage you, they give you the confidence. And even if there is in some area, if there is a need of improvement, they teach you in a very friendly way. So yeah, I am enjoying the course very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Tanveer. Over to you, Danya, and we can take the faculty questions if they have certain things to ask from us, and how we are going to take this forward. We can discuss those things.
Yes, Priya. So good evening, all lecturers. So here we are just open to ask any questions, because our mentor is there available. So you can ask your questions, anything about doubts about the course, or how the students can really manage their timings. Anything, you can just come forward and please have the interaction.
Yeah, hi, good evening, Priya, once again.
Hi, yeah.
I really like the concept. I really like the presentation what sir have shared, and it's really a amazing platform I can see, because students are lagging behind with the communication skills and with the media management for their startups and everything. And being into the college, I'm also into the entrepreneurship development cell. So I want my students to be entrepreneur also, and basically when they will be qualified and they will be good with their all these skills of your like platform is teaching for the mass media or something like that. I guess it's really a good collaboration for them to be like practical with the our stream, our like nutrition part. So I will definitely recommend this to my students, and definitely having a good webinar or a seminar with you or sir, we can plan a webinar also. And that way only you can just bring upon your presentation upon the course which you have shared, and we can recommend them. But my query is, can we recommend this course to other fraternity, like someone from the chemistry or physics or art students? Can we do that?
So can I answer this?
Yeah, please, Sandhya, please.
One second. Yes. So good evening, Yashna ma'am. This is Sandhya. I'm a holistic coach. Like this question was, actually I was supposed to answer before you questioned this, because I, as a coach, keeping my journey and my practice, seeing the transformation in my clients, I see a lot of transformation within myself, because it is the basic necessity that as a coach we change first. These transformational tools, when we joined as a coach, so all the classes and all the lessons that we learned were of great helping hand to transform ourselves first. So be it a nutrition fraternity or chemistry or biology, any life sciences who want to transform themselves in any way possible, I think this course is a must, and this course is a helping hand for them. So anyone who are into this field of helping any individual or into the field of giving any kind of help to their clients, so they can go this get this course without any hesitation. So anybody who is into patient care management and treating anyone without a degree of so-called nutritionist, please they can go with this course.
Okay, and they can also learn with the Ayurvedic diets and yoga and meditation kind of lectures will be there, no?
Absolutely, because yoga is one of the core temper area of the nutrition and overall well-being and the life, the lifestyle. So I think yoga trainers and other healthcare professionals can also take this course.
All right, all right. And PDFs will be given for the thorough learning some for the concepts, as I have seen. Only there were only, I guess, our presentations and the videos only. So there will be PDF written material something.
Yes, yes. So you have seen in earlier presentation of Dr. Suresh, the Kajabi app. So this app is the main app where all the study material is available. So so far, whatever have completed in the curriculum, they are uploaded. For those who are not able to attend the live classes, the recordings are always available there. So
it will be like throughout the session only, or like it will be lifetime. They can access lifetime. Is it like that?
Not lifetime, but the validation is for 1 year. So it doesn't literally mean that you will get it for 1 year. Maybe 2 or 3 months can be extended depending on your constraints, but it is for 1 year.
Okay.
There is separate package if you want for lifetime subscription.
Okay. No, actually some of the platform give for the lifetime access, no, so that's why.
Yes.
Yeah, one thing I would like to add here, Yashna ma'am. See, if you look at the definition of health, okay, it is not absence of disease.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the World Health Organization defines a health in all areas of life. Okay, it is physical, mental, social, psycho-emotional, and now they included financial as well. Okay,
Yes,
well-being. Okay, so we cannot. I mean, to your surprise, you'll come to know that there is a software engineer who is there in US. She signed up for the program. Okay, so what I mean to say is, like, when we say holistic nutrition, actually I started this for nutritionists, but we have Ayurvedic physicians and we have dentists, we have physiotherapists, so all kinds of healthcare professionals. But at the same time, here we don't teach any kind of subject especially related to nutrition. Okay, we don't teach clinical nutrition here. So clinical nutrition plus life coach is a holistic coach. So how to become a life coach? The whole program, instead of saying this thing, this life coaching program, I am applying this to dietitians, and that's why we call this as holistic nutrition training program. But anyone who wants to improve their life, quality of life, yeah, they can take it up. So yeah.
All right. Well, it's a really nice concept. So really good to hear from such a renowned personality like you. Really overwhelmed with all these presentations and everything. And thank you so much. You're doing a lot for our fraternity. I'm really amazed by watching all these reviews from the young childs and everyone that they are really enjoying your course. And I will definitely recommend to my students and also from the other fraternities and the subjects that they should also, look into it and should join with the Priya, because I will be calling her only in the college for the presentation or some kind of seminar, so that we can share all these things with other students also.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yashna ma'am.
so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, once again,
Hello.
good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Please,
I feel actually this is really good concept, and even I used to think actually I right now practice a kind of thing. Not the nutrition alone will not help anybody just to come out or to get rid of the diseases. And even when I counsel my own family members and even the patients and the people who know to me. So, but still, no, I feel that food or the therapeutic diets alone cannot treat the diseases. So the same, what I expect, what I practice, I find something, very big thing you're doing. So my thing actually, I feel that students are very young, and I'm doubtful they will understand the concept, because I feel that your lectures, suppose if the students feel little difficult or so, because it's all almost your courses, online courses. So how or who, you have any other direct classes? No, suppose if they want to clear the doubts, and because they've just now come out from came from school. So I feel that sometimes if they feel little tough or concept, they feel difficult. So how way you will help them? But that is my question. And secondly, after finishing this program, how will you issue them any certificate, and how far it is valid for them when they go for jobs or that is especially for government related jobs or even in big hospitals or any other good firms. So this is my question. And anyway, it's very good concept, but definitely I'll recommend my students. And even Revati ma'am, actually she only just spoke to me last week. Anyway, she'll come to my college and speak to my principal, and she said that she'll give some presentation to the students, and we'll see how far we could counsel the students. And I feel it's best if they go with this course. But this is my doubt. See how you will clear their doubts, and how you can see the progress of the student, whether they are able to understand the concept or your subject concern, whatever it is. So that is my query. And even as a faculty, if I am joining your course, so what is my fees? So so I just want some information.
Sir, I would like to answer. Okay, so thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, as discussed, we have live sessions going on every Monday. We do that, and we have live sessions where the students they go through the videos. So we have the lesson number. So lesson wise, we do a live session where they can interact with the senior coaches or even to Dr. Suresh himself, and they can get clarified. This is one thing. And second thing, we are almost some 10 coaches from Tamil Nadu. So we are all there for you. I mean, for your students to take care of them, because we are always reachable and we can definitely help them in clarifying their doubts. So it is that kind of a confidence I can give you, that kind of an assurance I can give it to you. And regarding the online sessions, whatever the things are happening, they can always get in touch with us, ma'am, because we have that group, the Kaisala app group, the WhatsApp group. So even when they are watching the video odd hours also, because we have so many students watching, like they become unstoppable the moment they start seeing the videos. So even odd hours they can text, and we can reply them when we see that. So it is always like we have a continuous support system where they are not lost anywhere. This kind of an assurance, I can definitely give it to you, ma'am. Hope that
Revati,
answers.
I just want to mention one more point.
Yes.
We have Archana ma'am here. So Vijayalakshmi ma'am, actually we have also started student mentorship program that is going to run for 3 months. Archana ma'am, yeah, ma'am, can you please, ma'am, just take a moment to explain about the student mentorship program, ma'am. And ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Archana ma'am is also a student, and now she has taken up a mentorship program to mentor the upcoming students. So ma'am, please, over to you.
Thank you, Priya, and thanks all the members, faculty members. I would like to say that this program is really, really good. And I think, seeing my experience, Dr. Suresh has given me this responsibility to mentor the new students. So we have started one new mentorship program where every Sunday we have the class, and they can interact, all the students. So we give them confidence to come up. If they have any doubts, they can clarify. And then we motivate them to start the live classes as well. So if they have any doubts, so they are most welcome. Without any hesitation, they can come up, and not only me, but all the coaches, they are there to help them. So that would I would like to say. And it is a great platform to transform themselves as well.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. So Vijayalakshmi ma'am, your first out.
Thank you, Archana. And one thing, yeah, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, one thing is, you asked about certification and government jobs and all. See, a dietitian typically, wherever they go, their starting salary, it would not be more than 15. Okay. And I'll tell you one thing. There is one junior of mine who is an MD. I'm an MBBS doctor. He's just 1 year junior. He's an MD. He has got his own hospital. His wife is a doctor, and he has got a government job, very respectable virologist. He resigned his job to be a holistic coach. Okay. So don't worry about the job opportunities. All of them are going to be entrepreneurs. Nobody would like to see, even Mayuri ma'am here. So
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt you. It is not that from because now when parents ask me, so I should be.
No, ma'am. I'm not. I understand.
See, actually, we both, my husband and myself, are private, working in private concern only. So my husband is working for Tata Communication, and I am in one private college only. So I can understand, even the government job is not the permanent one. So nothing is permanent. I can understand very well, but still.
No. Parents ask this question, ma'am.
I am answerable to the parents.
I'll tell you, all of them, when they joined, they asked certificate. I said, yeah, I'll give you the certificate. So, I mean, if they want certificate, that can be provided, but it's not. I mean, you are concerned about the kind of questions you may face as a teacher from the parents. Obviously, everyone will be asking that question. But what I'm saying is, like, I'm just giving you the scope that it can provide. Okay, at least, I mean, because we are talking to you and you brought this up, and that's a very good question. I mean, like, there is nothing wrong in asking for that. Okay, I understand. But what I mean to say is, like, the whole program is to empower the dietetics community, ma'am, to bring that respect to dietitians that they truly deserve. Okay, so we need to think differently, and the kind of feedback and the kind of changes that they're able to bring into the patient's lives. Okay, that is enormous, and that makes the program tick. And even after completing 1 year, nobody is going to leave this program. They're going to be there. So that assurance is there. Yeah, anyway, Revati will come to your college if you ask her.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
She will definitely clarify all the doubts.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And sir, ma'am's last question about the fee for herself.
That Revati has to decide. No, we'll get back to you, ma'am, on this. Now we have something for faculty as well. Yeah, Anita ma'am actually wanted to say something.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
First of all, thanks to all of you for inviting us. This is very nice opportunity to me, and I definitely like your concept, sir. Even I also want to join before my students, and I definitely recommend to my students, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Anita ma'am, for coming up. And Pooja ma'am, ma'am, you there? Pooja ma'am?
Yes, hi.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, can we have your introduction and whatever, I think you've joined a little late. So what you have understood from this thing and any doubts if you have, ma'am, please come forward.
Yes. Myself, Pooja, Associate Professor, Khalsa College of Pharmacy, Amritsar. And I am one of the friends of Shalu Bajaj.
Okay.
Yeah, right, ma'am.
And it's my first lecture that I have attended. I'm little curious about the holistic approach as a dietitian. The topic was very, very, very attractive and appealing. So that's why I was very curious last day that Shalu told me that you have to join. So I think that this is the best opportunity to join and to know about the holistic approach. So Dr. Suresh, your lecture is awesome.
Thank you so much.
And I hope that with near future, I will join your academy or I don't know what you have run right now, but definitely I will join.
Thank you so much. You're most welcome.
So thank you all so much for your, precious time spending with us to encourage the students who have to definitely, focus on their career and focus on their profession in the upcoming. And dietitian is not something like prescribing diets. They are going to be taking still more responsibility in the healthcare industry. So that has to be put in their thoughts. And that is where we started this process. And the mentorship with Dr. Suresh and we being students under him, we are really lucky to be here, and we want all the other dietitians to be with us and keep growing higher and higher. So that's our biggest motto. Thank you all, ma'am, for being here and encouraging all your students. Thank you so much.
Thank you for taking our time on behalf of coaches and HNDP. It is my pleasure, and I'm grateful to you for giving out your valuable time. Okay, have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you all.
Thank you all. Thank you.